Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the console and unpairing the controller. This removes software conflicts that mimic ghost touch. Once done, charge the controller to at least 50% using a known good USB cable so voltage isn't causing errant inputs. Next, perform a soft reset. Hold the PS button for 10 seconds to disconnect, then press the small reset button on the back for 5 seconds to clear internal state. Doing these steps now isolates firmware versus hardware causes. Now you open the controller to address the most common physical causes of ghosting. First, ground yourself and remove the screws, keeping them in order. With 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush, clean the analog potentiometers, contact pads, and flex cable connectors. Dirt and residue change resistance and register false inputs. Make sure ribbon cables sit flat and locked. Reseat any loose connectors. If flex cables or solder joints look cracked or lifted, replace or reflow them to restore reliable traces. Reassemble carefully, verifying no cables are pinched and screws are snug but not over-torqued. Then pair the controller and run Bluetooth and analog calibration in the Ps4 settings to confirm stable inputs. Once paired, test in a menu input tester and a live game to observe any remaining ghost touch. If you still see phantom inputs, perform a factory reset on the console and reflash controller firmware if available. If problems persist, the main board or touch sensor likely needs replacement. Consider a part swap or a pro repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.